Today's video, we are going to go over still being processed versus being processed, what I found on Google and what I found on the IRS.gov website. Welcome back, everyone. So happy to have you back for another update. Let's go ahead and get started. So on Google, it states here that if you are seeing being processed, that means it is a good thing. All right, it says that if you're seeing that message, more than likely your tax return has been completed and it is in the process of being resequenced to the next update, and you should be seeing 846 with a refund date within the coming days. Now, in terms of still being processed, it states that the still being processed message is more than likely that you will not be receiving your tax refund within that 21-day time frame. It is possible that your tax return is being reviewed and additional information may be needed. So still being processed is a possibility that you are being reviewed. Now, on the IRS.gov website, it states that if they're still processing your tax return or correcting an error, neither the Where Is My Refund or the phone representative will be able to provide you with your specific refund date. So again, still processing, it states specifically here, if they are still processing your return or correcting an error, meaning that they are very likely reviewing your return if you are still seeing still processing. It also states that the Where Is My Refund does not always show the different stages from refund or return received, refund approved, and refund sent. Now, if they are processing, again, the IRS website states that if they are still reviewing your return, instead it will display instructions or explanations of what is going on. So if you're seeing still processing, that means the IRS is reviewing your return. So just like it states on the Google response to that answer, it is matching with what is on the IRS.gov website. Remember, the IRS states that they process most returns within 21 days, but some tax returns may take longer to process for many reasons, and it gives you all of the reasons why your return may be delayed. So again, still processing means you may be under review, and after that review, the IRS may not need any information from you, and your tax return could be approved. On the other hand, they may need additional information from you, and you may receive a 30-day notice or a 60-day notice. Remember, after 21 days, you can call the IRS to start checking on the status of your tax return. You may want to do that instead of waiting for those particular notices. It says that how will you know they are processing your tax return? The Where Is My Refunds follows your tax return from received to completion, and it will tell you when your return is in the received status and if your refund is approved or if it is sent. So if you are seeing still being processed, that means the IRS is reviewing your return. They may or may not need additional information. If they don't, they will approve your refund.